Hello traders, hope you're doing well. After continuous fall on Friday, Nifty to a certain extent, it has closed above previous day's closing or during the pre-market, and as soon as the market opened, many people looking at this breakdown that are thought about entering a put option trade. Market trapped put option traders at this breakdown. You see, previously this area was acting as support, and when the support level was broken by a 5 minute candle, many people would have taken this as a confirmation to enter a put option trade. But in our private Telegram group, early morning we had discussed about important resistance and support level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I said this was an area where Nifty can reverse. When Nifty reached our support, I have said if Nifty moves down, our main support will act as a trapping area for put option buyers by giving a false breakdown. You can see market gave a breakdown. Our support level was respected from where Nifty started to move towards the upside. Now this setup was shared somewhere around 9:27. I think from 9:30 market started reversing. Now more about this setup I've discussed in this 2.5 minute video where there is a lot of useful information. I forwarded this video to our free Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code and check it out. Not just this, many updates I've shared during the live market where I have said Nifty near trendline resistance. At this trendline, many people will enter put option, right? To trap them, I expected a breakout. Only after hitting stop loss of put option buyers, you can see Nifty started to correct. Now this reversal setup also in our private Telegram we had discussed. At what time? Somewhere around 10:55. Avoid call option, look for only put option near this resistance. So here also a decent move towards the downside. When Nifty was here, we have told that time for put option buyers to decide exit plan. Booking profit would be the best decision. The update was for Nifty. Later when Bank Nifty started to move towards the downside, this setup also I have discussed. Bank Nifty after consolidation, it has moved up. As long as Bank Nifty stays below 51k, fresh put option trade below the resistance breakdown. When this resistance break, we can plan for put. That was the setup. Here we got a decent move somewhere around 12:30. I've set time to book profit. So I think at that time itself, this is the place from where Bank Nifty started to move towards the upside. This setup we were able to identify. This setup we were able to identify. At this zone, it was a bit difficult to judge the market. I think above 51,000 also market went today. So these were the update which I've shared in the private Telegram group today. The same thing we have forwarded to our free Telegram also. Here also time to time I've shared some update. I would highly recommend you to go and check all of these updates one by one because it has a lot of interesting learning. Now let's quickly analyze what kind of trading plan we have for tomorrow. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame. On this chart, I marked this trend line because this has been acting as a good resistance. Now one more level which I have marked here is 51,300. I would highly recommend you to mark this level on a chart because this is very crucial in the market. You see, in the past, this area was acting as resistance. Once this level was broken, 51,300 was acting as support. Now once support level is broken, again this area will act as resistance. There is a possibility Bank Nifty can stay sideways and trap call option and put option buyers by making a sideways move. If this happens, there is a price action pattern where market has formed a cup. After consolidation, the handle will be formed. Now later point of day, we get a breakout setup here. Small stop loss will be looking for call option trade. Now what will be the target? Bullish cup and handle pattern. The length of this cup, in this case approximately 400 to 500 points at least, we can expect after this consolidation breakout, right? This is a bullish cup and handle pattern. If market goes above a psychological level, which is 51,500, call option writers will start exiting from the market and we can expect next Bank Nifty to move towards the next targets like 51,800 level. So this is the first setup. And one more reason why we'll be looking at call option trade at this breakout is because the buyers who entered at this support and this support that are already seen good profit at this zone, even if market falls, it cannot trap them that much. But if it moves towards the upside, it can trap call option writers at upper level. Since anything is possible in the market, we will also be careful at this important supporting zone, which is 51,000. Now after this consolidation, if market breaks this important support, this is a psychological level. When the support level is broken, retest. Again, if market breaks the low, then small stop loss will be planning for put option trade, where our next target will be 50,600 level. So to a certain extent, market has recovered. It might try to trap option buyers at this zone. Later, when we get a breakout, we'll be looking for call option trade. If we get a breakdown, we'll be looking for put option trade below 51,000. If market directly opens with gap up, many call option buyers will think this is a breakout and they would enter, but we would patiently wait for a correction. After correction, if day's high is broken, then with small stop loss we'll be looking for call. Immediately planning for call option trade is something I think we need to avoid. As of now, this is the view about Bank Nifty. But tomorrow, the sentiment of the market can change based on the global market. That update I'll share in the free Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is there in the description. You can check it out. Now let's quickly discuss about Nifty. This is a Nifty chart, 15 minutes time frame. Now on this chart, I marked this trend line because continuously it has been acting as resistance. Now today, Nifty has closed near this resistance itself. Now one more level we have marked here is this trend line, which is acting as a supporting level. 2 times market has tested. Now tomorrow in Nifty, let's say it opened between today's closing and the support number 2. I would try to completely avoid trading within the zone because this can be trap area. So the trap area is 24,965 and 24,880. So within the zone, it is better to avoid any kind of trade. In case Nifty opens with gap up tomorrow but below 25,000, it becomes very important that we wait and observe the market because 25,000 is a psychological level where market can face resistance only if we get continuation candle like this. Here we have got bearish candles, right? Like this. If we start getting bullish candles, that means market is not interested to trap the buyers here, rather it wants to continue the trend. So the way how the candle forms becomes very important. Now this slowly, if market starts moving towards the upside, my expectation is market will not go above 25,075 to 80 level. Slowly, if buyers are attracted here, when market goes above 25,000, many people will be interested in call. So when call option buyers are interested looking at the up move, all the stop loss will be at the bottom. So at this upper zone, within this range, we can expect again a reversal in Nifty. Those who enter put option trade looking at any bearish setup at the upper level, you need to be careful about this next supporting area. This trend line, again, it can act as support. So here, after retest, if the market is continuing, then we can hold on to our trade, but it becomes very important that we trail our stop loss. So to a certain extent in Nifty, within this range, we avoid trade. If it gives a breakout, slowly starts moving towards the upside, at the upper level, we'll be looking for reversal setup. Continuously green candle, if the market forms, then there is a potential of up move continuation and no reversal. So there we'll be looking for call option trade. Now what if market opens with gap down again? There are 2 areas of trap. One is this support and this support. These 2 areas is where again the market can reverse. But in case without making a reversal like this, if the day's low is broken again, then Nifty has more chance of reaching today's low and continuing the downtrend. So this is the view about Nifty. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel tomorrow morning. If you enjoyed this analysis, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.